In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Etsy profile. This is essential for making your shop more appealing to buyers and building trust. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Etsy account. Head over to etsy.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. Next, we need to head over to your account settings. From the drop-down menu that appears when you click your profile picture, locate and select Account Settings. Now, when you're in the account settings, look for the Public Profile tab and click on it. This is where we'll start building up your profile. Now, let's move on to adding a profile photo. Click on Change Photo to upload an image. This could be a clear picture of yourself, or if you're a brand, you might prefer to use your logo. Remember, a bright and friendly image can go a long way in building trust with potential buyers, so choose wisely. After you have your profile photo set, it's time to write your bio. Scroll down until you find the bio section. Here, you'll want to craft a brief yet engaging description about yourself or your shop. This is where you get to highlight what you sell and touch on your passion or what inspires you. Make sure your tone is welcoming and professional, as this can really help buyers connect with you on a more personal level. With your bio complete, let's turn our attention to your location and social media links. Start by filling in your location. Sharing where you're based can help foster trust with your customers, as they often like to know where their purchases are coming from. If you'd like, you can also add links to your social media accounts, such as Instagram or Pinterest. This step is optional, but it can help customers engage with your brand across different platforms. Once you've entered all this information, the final step is to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. After saving, it's a good idea to preview your profile to ensure that everything looks just right and that there are no errors. And that's it. You've set up your Etsy profile. A complete profile makes your shop look more professional and helps build buyer trust. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Etsy tips.